Egg. Today we are doing another breakfast special. I'm so excited to try this because I love breakfast things. This is breakfast casserole. The first thing that I'm changing up is I'm throwing in a jar of diced pickled jalapenos because you can always add some spice to stuff. So that'll be exciting. The total cost for all of this is $24.36, so not even that bad for this wide variety of things we have here. Kind of one thing that's funny though, this recipe calls for the entire carton, so all 12 eggs, but they only tell you to use a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Are you serious? 12 eggs and only a half a teaspoon of garlic powder? A white person must have made this recipe. I'm totally not going to use a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Unfortunately, I think I only have a half teaspoon of garlic powder left, so I'm just going to be using some minced garlic too, but I'll throw in probably 2 tablespoons of that because like a half teaspoon is clearly not enough for 12 eggs. I'm also throwing in some Cajun seasoning to add a little bit more kind of spice variety in there, along with the salt and pepper because salt, pepper, and garlic is kind of bland for eggs, so I like to give it some more variety. Other than that, the first thing we need to do is cook the bacon. So I don't need to show you how to do that because I already did at one of the previous videos, so we will take care of this and no, my fork. Well, while the bacon's cooking in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and get our onion cut up. Now I get to experiment with my brand new, well, not really brand new, but this fancy cutter that I dug out from under my cabinet so we can actually see how good I can cut up the onion with it. Onions! Well, I wanted to open the jar of jalapenos, but I may have had a bit of an issue. Oops. Wow, did you see how nice it made those slices? I can't believe I haven't used one of these before. So, we are now ready to go. We got our bacon done. And I drained the juice out of the jalapenos, minus that little accident of me trying to open the jar. So at this point, we are ready to throw everything together. So let's go ahead and set up our casserole. Ew. And I forgot to put the jalapenos in earlier, so I'm just gonna put them on top. That way they can at least cook with it. More. There. And with that, we now cook it on low for about 6 hours, basically until the eggs are set. So, I will see you later. And it's done. Let's see how we did. Ooh, spicy. as always. So at this point, the only thing we need to do is chop up our green onions and then top it and serve. So let's go ahead and do that. So there it is. I tried to make it pretty, but I kind of murdered it when scooping it out. So it's kind of lumpy, but it smells really good and it also looks really awesome. So I'm excited to try this one. Thanks for watching and joining me for my breakfast special. So feel free to try this. Let me know how it goes for you. We did it. We made our potato bake. And this one was really, really awesome. I liked it a lot. Next time I'll make sure to peel off that outside layer of the onion first so that it doesn't have like that super chewy layer that I can't eat. Oops. Other than that, I think the only thing I would change on this is add more bacon or just more, whatever the meat is that you choose to use, just more of that, because there wasn't very much, as you could see as I was building it. But other than that, this one turned out really well, so enjoy.